Song's almost over.
Today's best hits without the rap. 96.3 WGBD. It's Jesse. Want to go see the Jonas Brothers on Sunday? I know you do. Text JBROS to 68683.
Yeah.
JBROS to 68683. And you might be seeing Nick,
Take your
Kevin, and
face.
Joe for free. Sweet.
Ellie.
Get her to come see it.
Think I'm finally scared now. You think I'm weak.
Ellie.
I think you're wrong. I think you're already leaving. Feels like your hand is on the door.
Ellie.
Thought this place was
Eloisers. Oh. Ellie.
I can't be sure. And I think it's so mean. I think we should try. I think I can.